Guys, nakikita nyo guys, ang gaganda ng bulaklak guys. Ang gaganda ng tanim nila kuya guys. Sobra guys, oo. Ayun guys, oh wow. It's so nice. Wow, so beautiful that all flowers here. I love it. It's so nice. Look guys. Wow, looks so beautiful. Oh, amazing. Kita nyo guys, ang gaganda guys, sobra guys. Ayaw ko na tumigil sa pagbablog guys, pag ganito lahat ng nakikita ko guys. Guys, oh, ang gaganda guys, di ba? Ito yung kagandahan sa Bicol guys, kasi yung mga tao dito guys, hindi talaga tamad guys. Ang sisipag nila guys, sobra guys. Kung makita nyo, di ba guys? Kung anong-anong halaman ang nandito guys. Yan guys, oh. Wow. It's so nice. All flowers here. And guys, oh. Wow, so beautiful. Nyo guys, ang gaganda ng bulaklak, di ba guys? And guys, oh. Wow. Maganda guys, kaya pag masipag ka talaga guys, uunlad ka guys. Dami na nga yung mayaman, di ba guys? Dahil masisipag yung iba. Kasi kung tamad ka talaga guys, wala guys eh. Yan guys, oh. Tignan nyo naman guys, ang gaganda ng bulaklak dito. Ganyan kasi sipag sila kuya guys. Tsaka ng asawa niya guys. And guys, actually guys, ito guys, nila kuya guys. Kapatid ng asawa ko guys. Tsaka nila ate Ima. Yan guys, oh, kung makikita nyo guys, ang gaganda ng bulaklak guys, ba diba? So, kung hindi pa to na-harvest guys, pagdating dito guys, tapos nag-vlog ako guys, siguro makikita natin to guys kung gaano kakaganda yung mga bulaklak guys, diba? Sobra. Siguro, yan na lang siguro guys for today's hours vlog. Thank you for watching and God bless you all.